Presido Buhari commission projects for Borno State. President Muhammadu Buhari visits Borno State for the second time in 6 months. Before he meets the ruler of the Kunuris, Buhari unveiled a 3.5-kilometer multi-layered flyover and a 10-kilometer Maiduguri carriageway to take reduced traffic. Another state government project where Buhari inaugurate na the Tijani Bonori Memorial Day Secondary School, wey be one of the world-class mega schools where dem build to chook eye for out-of-school children. For the University of Maiduguri, Buhari inaugurated a 2.5 billion naira state-of-the-art center for distance learning, where Alhaji Muhammadu Indimi donates to the institution.
I believe that the center will help the university in the way it delivers learning, training, and skills, as well as to those who will be taking their courses remotely.
Alhaji Indimi proved without the slightest doubt that his love for Borno is beyond limits. As part of our gratitude, we have approved the renaming of the popular Damboa Road to become Muhammad Indimi Road here in Maiduguri.
Buhari's support to Maiduguri for the damage where insurgency caused na him share obligation.
I assure the governor of Borno State and people of the Northeast that I'm acutely aware of our successes here and our failures elsewhere, especially in my own geopolitical zone, the Northwest, where it is the same people, the same culture, stealing each other's property, killing each other. What for? I have ordered and have started receiving military hardware from the United States, from aircrafts, helicopters, armored cars, and we are going to be very, very hard on them.
Buhari also inaugurates the Renta Energy Resource Limited aircraft hangar where Indimi build for Maiduguri International Airport. Don't show say them don't do many things for him administration with so little in critical sectors for the nation.
When I promise, I try to stand by my promise. I assure you that for the time remaining for us, the 17 very odd months, we will keep on doing our best to make sure, especially the infrastructure, is rehabilitated and built. What this country needs is really the continuous cooperation of the elite.
Governor of Borno State, Babagana Umara Zulum, and the Shenu of Borno, Abubakar Uman Gabriel El-Kanayi, thank Buhari for waiting in Dondo.
Your Excellency, I'm pleased to bring to your kind notice that people of Borno State have started witnessing gradual return of peace to Borno and indeed to the entire Northeast sub-region. And that has made it possible for our farmers to cultivate their lands this year.
And we must sincerely appreciate and commend your administration for the effort so far made toward bringing lasting peace to Borno and the Northeast sub-region.
From TMC News, Osarugwe, Monday.